Alright, and it's still morning, so good morning from Perth. Quick update. So the pound yen, I've traded this before. This was actually recently, just looking at it, and then I've had another go again. So that was the entry, that was pretty much the exit. So there was a little bit of FOMO. As you can see, there was a second entry here at 71. So the risk was very low. So I just sort of added to it. I didn't even really hesitate. There was momentum there. There was some good strength. It didn't quite work out and it wicked out. So an attempt was made. I'll cop that. That's okay. I think this is from. So P&L's not too bad. Recently, it's been pretty good. From the past week or so. So I'm up, 2.2% nearly. But I did have. There was an Aussie dollar trade that didn't quite work out previously. So this account's been open and been trading since the 17th of January. So got a little bit more time, less than 2 weeks actually. And that, no, it won't be the end of the trial because I started December the 17th for a month on the Pepperstone demo account. They said you do 1 month on the demo. That was 2.2%. And then I've had not quite a month on the MEX account. And then I've got another month. So it's 1 month demo, 2 months live, and then they'll assess it. So it is looking very much like I will be going to China. I'll be able to trade still there. So, but during the day I will be working. So it's not like my schedule is now, which is quite flexible. Although I work shift work, it's going to be a little different. So, yeah, so it's going to be interesting to see how that goes. Alright, so that's the pound yen. And that's the update. So we'll go now. Let's have a look at some other pairs here now. Now I discussed USD CAD as a short, and I was discussing that on the weekend. And it's still a point of interest, but what I see here could potentially happen is something like this, so I'm going to be a little wary. If I'd seen like a more weaky candle here, that'd have been a good sign, like this one here, but it wasn't quite, so it's still holding strength to a degree. USD yen is sort of making a bit of a breakout here. Let's see what the dailies are showing. Okay. Look, I'm just scanning to see how prices reacted previously, and it's sort of up against a little resistance, but it's not too bad. So I'll continue to monitor that. I'll monitor that into the London session and into the US session as well. There's a bit of a point of interest now. Aussie dollar. Traded this a little bit. So I traded that. That was the losing trade from earlier last month. And successful long trade. So you can see 72.52. This is another long potentially. If that candle closes like that, I will long it because that's pretty nice. It's interesting though how it's behaving, but I'll continue to monitor the Aussie dollar. Look, I mean, use what's going on. It's if that's doing that, that's something I look for. That's an engulfing candle. I call that a big shadow. So the Aussie dollar long is a potential too. I'm going to end it there, guys. I've got a few things on, but I will update everyone this time tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.